Hey girl, I had to recruit some help from wherever I could get it from. I'll take it.
You literally just called my name.
I know. I said I recruited you. I just recruited some
help.
help.
On the channel?
My arm's tired. My shoulder hurting.
You gonna post this on the channel?
On what channel?
Mine.
You just better be doing a good job, bro. Are you doing a good job?
Yeah.
Those don't have me out here looking crazy. Come on. Twist faster. We're gonna be here all night. Faster. 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 Can you
What do I do? I'm at the end.
keep twisting it all the way to the end? Just go to the end and then do a little roll on the end, just like, yeah, there you go, like roll it together, yeah, twist it together. Hey guys, so I decided to try my hand at doing some 2-strand twists using the human kinky bulk hair in my own head. And I don't know why I did that, because I hate to do my own hair. I got an old back, old shoulders, and I just don't be having time. But I made it through. It took me every bit of 3 days of stop and go to finish my hair. Got a little help. My daughter helped me part the back. My little one helped me put a couple twists in. But 3 days is just too much. I'd rather just pay somebody to do it, because I don't know what I was thinking trying to do my own hair. But anyway, I actually used 2 different hair. I had some QVR hair, and then I had another brand of hair I got off Amazon. I don't remember. I'll tag it down below. So I actually used 2 different types of hair in my whole head. But altogether, I only used like 1 pack of hair, because I only added tad bit of pieces in my twist. So I just put like 1 small piece in each twist, because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. I didn't want it all extra full and bulky. I just kind of wanted it to look like I had my own hair twisted, but I wanted to add a tad bit of length and a tad bit of fullness. And I love the way the ends look on the human kinky bulk hair, how it has this little curl on the end. And I was hoping that using the weave would keep my hair from just like shriveling up and being all extra short. And it did. It worked out good. So I would use it again, but I would definitely recruit somebody, bestie probably, to help me with my hair and get it done in 1 day, and not doing a little bit, doing a client, getting tired, doing the next day and the next day, because 3 days is just too much time to be spending on your head. And it already took me like a couple weeks to even upload the video, because this was like 2 weeks ago. But they're still in here, and I actually really, really, really like them. So that might be my winter style. I think I'll be rocking it a lot more. And when they get a little messy, it's still not that bad. So you can still wear them a little bit longer. I've had them in a couple weeks, so I'll probably be back to give y'all an update to see how long I actually left them in and how good or bad they looking after like a month. So yeah, anyway, I am parting my hair out. I don't know. I think I did about 6 or 7 rows on each side. I wanted them a little bit smaller, actually, the parts, but I didn't have the patience for that. This was already too much, but I would have did the parts a little bit smaller if I had somebody else doing it. So I parted out my hair in little sections, and I braided each section first with my natural hair. I did not add weave into the braided part, just because, like I said, I wanted it to look as natural as possible, like my own hair. So after I braid a little bit, then I'm going to split it into 2 so I could just twist the hair right up in there. But actually, when I do my clients, I braid the hair in, because most people like it real full, I guess, because that's what they see on all the pictures and videos on social media, is everybody with the full fluffy instead of a more natural look. But so when I do clients, I actually use about 4 packs of hair, and like I said, in mine I only used 1. So here I am. I I braided it down. I split it into two, and I just add a small piece of the kinky bulk hair, and I twist it in on both sides, and then I just twist down regular. Nothing special. It's actually like really wouldn't even take that long. It's just the parting, which is always the hardest part, and the pulling apart the hair. The hair is a bit much. It's a bit of a task to get used to the kinky bulk hair and pulling it apart because it looks just like a big nappy afro puff actually. So pulling the hair apart is probably a little bit time consuming, and the parting of your own hair is time consuming. So I'm just twisting them all the way down to the ends. So some people think they have to leave the ends loose so they can get that little curl effect, but no, that's just going to make more of a mess on the ends and more hair than what needs to be out. So really just twist it all the way down to the ends and don't leave any hair loose, and then just cut off the little raggedy ends, and you're going to get that curl at the bottom that looks like it's a little bit loose hair, but it's not. It's twisted all the way down, so I feel like it stays like tamed better. So here's the hair, how it looks straight out the pack, and I spray it with water and detangler. If you don't have detangler, water actually works well also. So spray it, and that makes it way easier to pull apart and stretch it out, and then start pulling your pieces apart while it's wet. So I know this video is hopping all over the place, but y'all, like I said, it was 3 different days of stuff. Like that. Let me see, where'd it go? Which one was it?
This
that one? Oh yeah, you twisted the mess out of that. That's tight to the mud. It's in there though.
You told me.
Good looking. No, I did want you to twist it tight. It's gonna fluff up a little bit once I mousse it. But look at that.
I'm gonna mousse it.
You got that in there good.
Your hands
All right,
sticky.
you ready to do the next one? No, my hand's not sticky.
But mousse, get your hands sticky.
Some of them.
That's mousse?
Yeah. Shiny Gem mousse. They got a new one. It looks just like the jar of the Shiny Gem.
You just dropped it and then catch it in.
Reflexes.
You did some.
I did.
You catched it in the plain air.
I caught it. So my hair is long, and I got 16-inch weave just because I just wanted to add a little tad bit of fullness, because as you can see, my hair is kind of thin. But you really should get a longer length if you have long hair, unless you want to just keep feeding in pieces, which I usually don't want to do. But so I'm really twisting this in, and it's just coming to the end of my hair. I'm braiding my hair first, braiding it down a little bit, then I'm splitting it into 2 pieces. I'm going to twist it in at the top, so roll it in like you would do like kinky twist or Senegalese twist. Roll it in there tight, roll it a couple times. After I roll it those couple times, I'm just going to twist it regular. And as you can see, my hair, so this hair stretches, so it's about the same length as my hair. If you want it longer, you can add in more pieces, or you can buy longer hair. Buying longer hair will make it easier, but it costs more. So here it is a week later, and I was getting a little bored with it, so I decided to jazz it up a little bit. I had a few wooden beads. I had some clips and some charms and some little rings. And I was like, yeah, let me just throw a little bit of this in here and jazz it up a little bit. And that's where I'm at right now.